Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to know if someone blocked you on Wizz App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the steps as well. Determining if someone has blocked you on Wizz App can be challenging as the app does not provide a direct notification for such actions. However, what you can do is look for the signs you might have been blocked. Number 1 is message delivery issue. If your message says to a specific user are not being delivered there while messaging to others go through, it could indicate that you have been blocked. If you can no longer, and next is profile visibility changes. If you can no longer view the person's profile or their profile picture disappears, it might suggest that they have blocked you. The next is disappearing conversations. If an existing chat with the person suddenly disappears from your chat list, it could mean they have deleted their account or blocked you. Next is inability to find their profile. If you search for their username and can't find their profile, it might indicate that they have blocked you or deleted their account. Some users have reported that even after being blocked, they can still see when the person is online. This inconsistency can be confusing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.